What's up, YouTube? Halfway Kicks over here. My name is Bendo. Find me on Instagram at jbendo15.
My name is AJ, and you can find me on Instagram at arnettjason.
Today we got an unboxing for you.
These shoes that we got here are provided by a friend of ours. He goes by the name of Eddie. You can find him on IG, and we'll put his IG right here. So give him a follow, check him out. If you're into alcohol or beer, that's the Instagram to check out.
Everybody's into that.
Yeah. So I personally didn't win these shoes.
Neither did I.
But Eddie was lucky enough to win and was nice enough to let us use it for the video. So this is what we're going to be showing you.
Off-white Dunks.
And luckily for him, he is also a size 12.
Might be small, but it's lot number 12. So I guess there's 50 lots, and Nike only gives you whatever they send you.
You can only get exclusive access through sneakers. Apparently they gotta randomly select you to win these shoes. There's no way that you can, well, I guess you can better your chances, right? So
that's what they say. You gotta watch the little videos that they got, and
Marisol.
Yeah. Marisol, the homegirl over there.
Yeah. We're gonna show you what they look like. This is gonna be the first time we're seeing it too. So again, there's 50 different variations of this shoe. Only one of them comes in black, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. The last one, I think number 50 comes in black.
At first I thought it was just switching out different strings. I guess it's like different variations, cream colorway, white colorway,
different soles, different swooshes. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's show you what it looks like. You want to open it?
Let's see. Little cheese crater with a.
It do look like a piece of cheese though.
With the cheese paper wrapping. All right.
Eddie did ask that we be very careful with these shoes, so I'm gonna put this down real soft.
All right, I should open it real soft. Okay.
Damn.
It's kind of.
See, now I like Dunks. I'm a real big fan of Dunks. How do you feel about Dunks?
They're cool.
They're cool.
I just can't get them. Really.
You got me a few pairs.
Yeah. For myself, I guess.
Let me hold one of these. Here, I'll grab this one. No, put
careful
this,
with the box.
Gently.
All right.
He specifically asked that we don't take any of the tags off, which we're not going to because these aren't our shoes. But you can take a look here.
I kind of like the tongue right here, the lime green. I like bright colors, so.
Yeah, just actually make it pop. Oh, and is this
like the styrofoam?
This is kind of like the undefeated Dunks. Yeah. The undefeated Dunks has like a foam right here. It's a leather tongue. This one's not leather, but it's got that same look to it right here on the lip. We
told you they go by lot. I'm not sure if you could see lot 12 out of 50 right here. A lot of Off-White has these Beaverton Oregon little logo right there. It's shiny. And the Off-White always has these little zip ties right here.
Yeah, that's one of the things that I've noticed that sets it off.
How do you feel about people wearing it with a zip tie?
I feel like because it comes with it, you should.
Gotta wear it?
Yeah. It's one of the, I guess, the staples, right?
Yeah.
For it to be an Off-White shoe. That and that address.
Oh, and they also got the lot on the zip tie.
But the Off-White Dunks, another thing that they do that's very synonymous with their Off-White Dunk is the extra lace. Well, that and this one.
Oh, the strings.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the string changes color depending on what you get and what they send you.
Damn, these are...
This is, what do you call this, salmon colorway?
I mean, salmon or like nude?
Nude. But yeah, these are dope. The suede part right here is kind of like light gray. Yeah. And I like how the cream is. Yeah, these are kind of fire.
I like these a lot actually, and I'm kind of jealous that a couple of our friends hit on these and we did not hit on these. And I don't think I'm gonna be paying resale for them unless they drop more.
The retail is $150.
Retail $150.
So resale about now is going for $400 to about $700-800. I don't know how the price. You can tell by the price on which shoe it is because there's 50 different variation, and I don't know how they can tell which one is more expensive, more valuable than other colors. But either way, These shoes are fire, man. I like these.
I would definitely wear these.
Yes.
You know what's cool about Dunks is that they have like different special like collaborations and you know, a lot of different colorways, and
you could do a lot of things.
Yeah, you know, it's kind of like, and I feel like Air Force Ones are finally getting there too.
Mm-hmm. They used to be up there. If you're from New York, the uptowns.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, these are fire, man. I like them. And I also like how you don't know what you're gonna get until you open a box.
Yeah, I think that's pretty cool that they did that. 50 different variations, and you know, you're selected. You feel, the cool thing about shoes is that you feel special when you have a certain like rare type of shoe, and I think they emphasized on that. They made sure that you felt special by getting your pair. Mm-hmm. So that's cool. Good. Props to Nike for doing that, and props to everybody. Congratulations to y'all if y'all won.
And props to whoever's gonna sell us for retail.
Yeah, hit me up, or hit him up, or hit us up on our Instagram page.
Halfway_kicks.
Halfway_kicks.
It's taken.
Yeah, the real halfway kicks is taken. Don't go looking at that profile because
it's disturbing.
It's weird.
Whoa, don't do that. We the best coming out of BK. I thought you knew that. Step up in the function, all these women like who that. Got me looking like money, yeah, they love me, yeah, true that. Big racks, new bag, new swag. We ain't cutting no slack. Why they mad? Don't do that. See them coming, no mad. 6 feet, move back. How we got it? Don't ask, don't do that. Nah, cause they ain't never put us on. Now they wanna come around and see what's going on. Nah, and we don't follow protocols. We some kings like sis, no waterfall. ISO.
Shout out to Eddie.
Yeah, shout out to Eddie again.
I'm gonna put these on now.
On feet coming next. No, I'm just playing.
Peace. Halfway kicks. My name is Bendo, and he is.
Wait, you gotta say your IG. Eddie, you can find him on IG, and I'll put.
What you gonna do? Where you at? Who you with? You ain't really about this. Don't talk about it. Really on the move, on the map, never slip. Keep your hands to your lips. Don't talk about it. Real eyes, real lies, real lies. All the time, stand on it. If we said it, we don't walk around it. Loose lips, sink ships, red cup, blue strips, new phone. Who this? No, we don't allow it.